getting kind of bored.
I don't know, maybe if my dad goes to sleep we could drink some of his beer or something.
Sweet, that'd be awesome.
He has to go to sleep first, you retard.
Come in.
Oh, I'm taking a nap, kids. Oh!
Yes!
My dad's taking a nap. This is our chance. I'm gonna try to see if he's asleep.
That sounds good. I'll stand here. Hey, is he asleep?
Shh! Don't make a sound.
Oh!
Be quiet. Coast is clear. Shut up!
It's hammer time.
Drink it. Drink it all. Don't drink and look at my puppy dog face. No! It's party time.
Let's get tipsy.
Where are we?
I'm about to puke.
I told you so. I win this round.
What kind of fun can we have now?
Jump into the pool off the roof. It'll be fun.
Dude, let's go on the roof!
You go first.
No, I'm going first.
Fine, you go first.
Whoosh.
Are you alive?
You killed my son.
Take that, scumbag!
Oh, 3-pointer. Oh.
This is where it all began. Two boys just looking for some fun. But they looked in the wrong place and for the wrong fun. They turned to alcohol, nature's taboo. They followed the path that led to certain doom, even after being warned. So, in conclusion, follow not the evil these boys fell captive to, but rather look towards brighter days and a productive future with no alcohol. Peace out.
That means you.